Oh my god, I just caught that on camera.
Does wood attract electricity?
All the buildings here are grounded, so good.
Like fire.
Oh mate, you should have tried that.
What?
Ben.
What?
So good, isn't it?
Dude, this is how a storm is. In England, it's literally 5 lightning bolts, that's it.
Todd.
You video it?
Yeah.
This is honestly a wonderful fucking name.
I got a fork.
Ben, get me in the video.
I got a fucking fork,
get me in
mate.
the video.
I got a
I
fork.
want to be famous.
Oh, boys, get him in the photo.
Guys,
Go on.
Dylan, wait for Dylan.
Oh, don't do it when you open a video.
Go.
Why?
2,
Go.
3.
Oh my god. Did anyone see that fork?
Oh my god, that one was literally just up there.
Oh,
Oh my.
did you see that? Did you see that? I got it on here.
That was fucking huge.
I got it on here. Buddy, it's like a mile away.
Dude, you can sit on the beach.
Fuck that.
We'll get fucking killed. Oh my.
Oh!
Mate, I just got that again.
Looks like it's moving just straight across.
Yeah, it will.
Yeah, it's coming straight at us. It's fine.
It's fine.
I ain't fucking
It's
scared.
going this way, so it is heading towards us.
It's missing us. It's gonna miss us just.
Todd, is the waterfront not the best part of camp?
Mate, it's awesome.
Holy fuck, that
Watching
just
that
lit,
is so
that lit up the full lake.
Try and get that beer down.
On video, hold on, I want another fork and then I'll stop.
That
Holy,
one was just up there. Oh shit.
I think I might have got that one as
Where
well.
are the forks lying?
What?
Did you just
Yeah,
hit
like
trees?
things. Yeah, like trees and poles and shit.
Do you not hear the crackle? Just wait till you hear a crackle, it's fucking horrendous.
They call them forks?
Yeah.
Just wait till you hear the crackle that happened last night. Fuck
Oh,
me.
dude, yeah, I heard that shit.
Holy fuck.
One there,
Dylan,
one
come sit
there.
down.
No, I'm just like right at the lens.
Dylan, you're making us anxious.
What a beautiful spot.
Oh my
Beautiful
god.
spot.
It's so...
You need to get a picture like that.
Wow.
This is better than the